How to fix Google Gemini error 1152 or 1100. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix either of the issues with Google Gemini. The first method is start a new thread. If you have been using the same chat windows all day long, the context window might be overloaded. Therefore, open a new window and check if Gemini Pro responds. If the issue still persists, disable canvas mode in Gemini. If you are using canvas mode in Gemini, then close it. Simply click on close to remove it and then check if Gemini works properly. Check Google Workspace status. Several times these errors occur because of temporary outage in Google Workspace. You can check official status page to see if Gemini or Google One services are experiencing downtime. Type Google Workspace status in the browser and press enter. Click on this link, Google Workspace status dashboard. Check if Gemini is not facing outage. If Gemini is facing outage, then wait for some time until the server is repaired and the downtime ends. If the issue still persists, log out from Gemini, click on your profile name and select sign out of all accounts. After logging out, go to three dots and select delete browsing data. Click on more here, select all time. Make sure that all the options are selected here and click on delete data. After deleting the data, close the browser and then open it again. Then go to Gemini. If still facing issue, then you can run Gemini in incognito window. It may help you. Click on three dots, select new incognito window, type Gemini, press enter, log in with your account and see if the issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.